Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making frozen shrimp in the air fryer. Before I begin, please give this video a like and consider subscribing. Thanks, and let's begin. We have here some frozen shrimp and they're 1620, and let's open it up. Next thing what we're going to do is pour some olive oil in there. There we go. And mix it all up. Okay, we have the olive oil coated on the shrimp. And we're going to add some sea salt. Just a little bit, not too much. Some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some black pepper. Okay, we're set. This is what it should look like. And the next thing what we're gonna do is preheat the air fryer. We're gonna set the air fryer at 400 degrees and let it preheat, and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. Let's put in the shrimp. But before we do that, we're just gonna spray some olive oil into the basket. There we go. Now we're gonna put in the shrimp. And let's make sure they're spread out and put it in. And we're going for 400 degrees for 8 minutes, and at the halfway point we'll give them a toss. Okay, we're at the halfway point. Let's give them a toss. Okay, let's give them a toss real quick. Okay, looking good. Let's put it back in, and we'll be back in 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 8 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, looking great. Ooh, hot. Okay, let's check the internal temperature of the shrimp. Okay, it's well above 120 degrees, and they're good. You want to hit around 120 degrees or higher and it should be done. Let's take them out. Okay, this is what we have today. Frozen shrimp made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.